Have you neither have time nor inspiration to complete your essay or research paper? Stuck with approaching deadlines? Take it easy. It's happy to present the most trustworthy and reliable writing and editing service that can handle literally any task. We provide clients with 100% original, plagiarism-free work. We guarantee you timely delivery and top-quality paper. We offer unlimited free revision and 100% money-back guarantee. Here's how it works. Step 1. Fill out the order form on our website. Be sure to put detailed instructions and relevant files, then set the deadline. Remember, the more information you can provide, the better for the writer. Rush orders are more expensive, so we recommend you to place the order as soon as possible. Step 2. Make a payment through our secure online payment page. We offer a variety of payment options such as PayPal and credit cards. Step 3. A writer begins working on your order as soon as we confirm your order details. As always, we will assign your order to a highly qualified writer in the discipline of your choice. Step 4. Once the writer completed your order, our team performs a quality control, do a final check for originality that will also be done through our plagiarism detection software. This will give you the peace of mind and assurance you need. Step 5. We send you the paper as soon as it's completed. This will be sent directly to your mailbox. Try our service with a 15% discount for the first order. Still hesitating? Contact our 24/7 support team and ask any questions and concerns you have.